Welcome everyone. Today we've got Ace. I got him in the... He came in with the G.I. Joe's version of the F-14. They called it the Sky Striker XP-14F. He was he originally... He looks more like a astronaut than a fighter pilot to me, but it's, you know, especially when he had the dome mask on. He needs some hip work, so I'm going to see how quick I can get that done today. So, yeah, I'm getting better at this, I think. I say they're you know 40 years old, so they've got a right to be worn out. And you on there. Make sure you're facing the right direction. But I got a lot of wear and tear out of the old Sky Striker. I don't think I knew that's what it was called. I just called it, it was the F-14 because that was Top Gun era. So everybody knew what that was in that day. Come on. All right, got through there. Now make sure it gets arms oriented right. Nope, I was about to do it wrong because I thought that was back. Okay, so arms oriented correctly. And we take our O-ring. Actually, I think I have to take his head out to get the O-ring. Yeah, that's right. I promise I thought I was getting better at this. Get that on there, sort of locks it in place. Got it bent a little bit back to hold it in. Lay flat. Get his head in. There he goes. One arm. Alright. Come on. Put your arms in. That's right, yeah, that's the right arm, correct. Put his torso back in place. Arms are in, arms are in. New screw. Sounds like my supper's ready. Back in place and boom. Freshly replaced hips. So Ace will stand up on his own now. Excellent. But as I say, I got plenty of use out of the old, it was a big old plane, and it had the switch on it where you could swing the wings out to go into landing position or fighter position. It came I think I've still got some of the missiles. I just don't have the plane anymore. But that's old Ace. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain. That's my wrong channel. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. I've got plenty more to go where this came from. See you next time.